up, my people? Saturday, rained all night. Good thing this is gravel. Just gonna backfill this pool. Again, we're just backfilling 3 foot out from the coping's edge. All good gravel to backfill. Like I said, it rained all night. Not sticky at all. We'll keep the sod out of there. Once I cut this gravel out, we'll be back down to sod level and keep that separate for the most part. On a wicked slope, tilt the tilt bucket like so, just to make a level path. Let them trickle in off the bank. Down to the sod level. Once I get this gravel off, then I'll cut the lawn out, get the good gravel again, just letting it hit the bank like this and trickle in. Wasn't much of lawn here because it's on gravel base, so it doesn't grow that good anyways. Get that out, we'll put that in the back down here where it's real low. Push that off after. Really not that bad. Still cutting this in. I'll tell you, you wouldn't really have a tough time without this tilt bucket. Doesn't show it on camera. I'm leveling myself out as I go back. You would never do that in a million years. And look at that bucket, how much it tilts to get that angle. All right, we're getting it. See, the concrete goes around, pins all those braces. The concrete in the pool. as I said in the machine, that tilt bucket works awesome because you would always keep the angle like this. I mean, this was this steep, you know, coming off here. You just keep it in, cutting in like a dozer with that tilt bucket. All the soil will be about that high, and then they'll compact the hell out of it. Side of my bucket, pushing them in. You want to be about 3 inches higher than that, 3-4 inches higher than the braces. Then the whacker packer it in. It's all gravel, so it compacts really well. Tight little work quarters over here. On this edge right here so I can work my way across. Found a vein of sand. This stuff is nice. I love this ground. Nice sand. Look at that. Beautiful. We're getting it cut back. He's getting a 2-for-1 here. Getting his tank cut back and same time we're backfilling. Just getting this taper going into the existing lawn, taking most of the dirt and putting it over to the right. It's gonna work out alright. Flat yard up here like against the pool just in case. Well, it ain't just in case, it's when he has a party or a tent. We got more flat ground up over here. Pretty much the grade right there. Keep working a little bit, tracking and packing in for them. Rain will make this hard as a rock. standing up in the machine. Packing the hill. A 35% grade right there. Tracking and packing. Tracking and packing. Still tracking and packing as I work my way back in. See if we can hold this slope with the machine without sliding off. I know she'll want to slide once she slides now. Until she gets packed in. Work our way up. See what we got. All right, grade didn't turn out bad. He's gonna put a wall in here, 4 foot, 6 foot, something. I told him to put his fence up on the wall. That would work out. Everything's backfilled, just rough graded. Obviously we used what he had. Wanted a little flat area over here for picnic area. Pump's gonna go here. I tracked and packed this the best I could, and the machine stayed on it, so it's packed. That's for sure. Obviously it's got to get all topsoiled and everything else and graded out, but for the most part, kick these ridges out. She's packed. Water still comes down here naturally where it was. Fence will probably just roll right up here on the top somewhere. But yeah, this one's done. Easy backfill. Love working with good material where you don't have to truck it off site. All right guys, hope you enjoyed. These guys are going to start forming up for concrete and or put the coping on. Actually, it looks like. I'm out of here. Thumbs up.